Hello, dear students. Hello, everybody. Myself, Mahestalpada, I welcome you here for the second part of the lesson How the Dog Found Himself a Master. In the first part, in the first video, we have seen the lesson and question answers in the exercise. In this video, we'll see further exercises of textbook. So, let us see the exercises. These 5 question answers we have done earlier. Now let us see the further exercises. Here, exercise number B, a summary of the story is given below. Fill in the blanks to complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the boxes. In the box, the words which are given: a dog, stronger than anyone else, the strongest of all, a wolf, the bear, afraid of man, his own master, a lion. So let us see the paragraph and let us find out the answer. This is the story of blank. This is the story of a dog. Who used to be blank? Who used to be his own master. Who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master blank who was stronger than anybody else. In the bracket, if we see, the first answer is here a dog. Second answer, his own master, here number 2. Third, he decided to find a master who was stronger than anyone else. Number 3, it is here and we need to add he decided to find a master who was here stronger than anyone else. This is the third answer. He decided to find a master who was stronger than anyone else. This is the third answer. First, he found a blank. First, he found a wolf. First, he found a wolf. But the wolf, do tick mark the answer or write the answer so that we can move forward. Let me give you 5 seconds to take a screenshot or to write the answer in your textbook. Okay, let us move forward and complete remaining blanks. Previously, we wrote the answer that first he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. Answer is the bear. The dog thought that the bear was blank. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. Strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion. Who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of men. Last answer. Afraid of men. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Do write the answer in textbook or take a screenshot so that you can write afterwards. Okay, I hope you have taken a screenshot or you have completed your work. So let us move forward. Now, after completing first question, now second is working with language, grammar part. Let us see what is there in this exercise. Each word in the box given below indicates a large number of blank. For example, a herd of cows refer to many cows. Complete each of the following phrases with a suitable word from the box. Here, by reading this instruction, we can come to know that it is an exercise regarding nouns and a form of noun, that is collective noun. As you can see in the heading, the box given below indicates a large number of different things. So large number of different things, it is a collective noun or collective noun, and some examples are given. So let us complete the blank. In short, in one of the video I also made about nouns. Noun, it is very easy. Name of a person, place or thing. Then we have studied different forms of noun, different types of noun in previous classes also. There are nouns like collective noun, then singular, plural, and many more. So let us see this exercise. Here in the option, you can see the words like school, fleet, brood, bundle, bunch, pack, flock, and herd. These are the options given in the box. Now let us write the answers. A blank of ships, a fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. Second, a blank of flowers, a bunch of flowers. A blank of chicks, a brood of chicks. Fourth, a blank of cattle, a herd of cattle. Let us understand these four answers. First, a blank of ships, ships that sail in the ocean or in a sea. If there is a group of ships, we can come to know by using the noun, collective noun fleet, a fleet of ships. Bunch of flowers, that we all have heard. Fourth, third one, a brood of chicks, small babies of hen chicks. A brood, it is a collective noun used for a group of chicks. Fourth, a blank of cattle, a herd of cattle. Cattle considers different animals like cow, buffalo, goat, etc. So let us move forward. Fifth number, a blank of sticks, a bundle of sticks. A blank of sheep, a flock of sheep. A blank of fish, a school of fish. A blank of wolves, a pack of wolves. Do write this all 8 answers. Let us see the next exercise. Make nouns from the words given below by adding any ness or ity. For example, for some words we need to add just ty or y. Here we need to make nouns from the given words, and that can be done by adding ness or ity. In some words we need to use ty or y. So let us see those answers. First, honest. The answer is honesty. By only adding y we can write the answer. Second, kind. Kindness. That's right. Third, cruel. That is cruelty. Calm. That is calmness. CALM. Calmness. CALMNESS. Sad. Sadness. Sad. Sadness. Sad. Sadness. Active. Activity. Creative. Creativity. Sincere. Sincerity. Sincere. The answer is sincerity. Cheerful. That is cheerfulness. By adding NESS. By adding CHEERFULNESS. Cheerfulness. Double S. At last, bitter. Bitterness. Sensitive. Sensitivity. Great. Greatness. So these are the answers of exercise number B. Make nouns by adding NESS, TYY or ITY. We can make nouns in this way. So let us move forward. Do complete your work. From the screen, all answers are written. You can take screenshot or write from here only. So let us move forward. Next exercise. There are 12 words hidden in this table. 6 can be found horizontally and the remaining 6 can be found vertically. All of them are describing words like good, happy. The first letter of the words are given below. So let us see and make the words from this table. First, horizontally we'll see the first word, that is hasty, which is given here. You can make in your textbook. Second word you can find and make ready, horizontally. Third, after ready, fierce. Fourth, strong, strong. Next, that is good, which is given here. Next, frightened, starting from F. Frightend, frightened. These are the words horizontally. And now let us see the words which are in vertical form. In vertical form, the first word is angry, which is given over here, ANGRY. Second word that is given, worst, which starts from W, which is given below here, WORS, and E is remaining, you can add. Next, there is surprised, starting from S, from the fourth line vertically, surprised up to here. Next, loyal, and one word, quite, QUIET, quite. So these are the 6 words horizontally and vertically. Let me see if any one is remaining. Surprised word and free. The word FREE, free, which is here, FREE, free. So here we complete this exercise of finding out 12 words from the table. So here we complete the exercises, remaining exercises in this lesson. You can read paragraph yourself and you can write. Yes, a paragraph about family, dog family, the dog family and the history of dogs, that is given. So you can read yourself the table. That the dog family is one of the 11 families to make up the carnivorous, a large group of intelligent, flesh-eating, backboned animals. In this group are such varied animals as bears, pandas, raccoon, cats, hyenas, and even a seal. Likewise, the details about this it is given, so you can read the remaining paragraph yourself. Let us complete the exercise of this paragraph. From here, first one, find the opposites of these words in the text above. Assenter, the word assenter, it is used for the people who were there in very old age. Before thousands of years they were present. Now the opposite of that word, that is descendant, that you can write here, DES. The word descendant, that is you can write DESCENDANT, descendant. Wild, that is tame, 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 wild animals, tame animals that we can keep with ourselves. Ancient, the word ancient describes old age things. In present we can use the word modern. MO, the word modern, that you can write like MODERN. Near, distant, DISTANT, distant. Suddenly, then gradually. If something happens in no time, that is suddenly. and the process which takes time, that is gradually. At last I have written y. GRADUALLY, gradually. Now next, that is complete the following sentences. The dingo is blank. The dingo is a wild dog. Dogs were the wild animals tamed by humans. The other animals tamed by humans are examples of those tamed animals that we need to write: horses, elephants, cow. Horses, elephants, cows, etc. These are the examples of animals tamed by humans. Next, the new word refers to blank. The new word refers to America. Write the spelling: AMERICA, America. Dogs were brought there from India. Last here in third number, second answer, India. INDIA, India. Let me just try it again so that you can write perfectly. INDIA, India. So these are the answers of first and second exercise. Here we complete the exercises of this lesson. Further, the exercises are like looking at the family tree of dogs. In that, you need to complete some of the spellings. Let us complete that. First, family tree of dogs. C blank and ES is given. Write the spelling: carnivorous. CARNIVORS, carnivorous. Then the next word, which is seal, SEAL. The next word which is given, first one, that is seal. Then second, RA and blank is given. Write the word raccoon, RACOON, RACOON, raccoon. Next, that is hyena, HYENA, HYENA. And last, dog of blank family, dog of canine family, CANINE, canine family, CANINE, canine family. Let us move towards the next line. You can easily identify this animal: panda, PANDA. Next, bear, BEAR, bear. Now, these were the carnivorous animals. In canine family, the animals which are given, that is domesticated animals, DO, domesticated animals, you need to write here. domesticated, 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 domesticated. In wild animals, you need to write first word wolf, wolf, wolf. F, write fox, fox. C, write the word coyote, 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 coyote. Next, J, write the word jackal, jackal, jackal. And wild dog, which is given. So we'll complete exercises up to here, then speaking tasks that you can do yourself. So let us complete these exercises of textbook of unit 2, how the dog found himself a new master. Thank you very much.